in Hannah Heights, Seguin, and look at this. This is the first time I used my sign thingy. So cute. This is 400 Jean Street. I will be here for the most of the day and just gonna be getting some work done. Gonna finish setting up here. Y'all have seen this house a million times. Look, this is my office for now. Right now, that's what I'm working with. My hair's crazy. It's always crazy. I thought I'd leave it curly today. I haven't done that, and it's wild or wavy. Unmade. So I will be here working, and y'all should come visit me if you're in the market to buy a house. And looky-loos, bring it. We still have my properties in Kennedy. Here we are. And there's Marcy over there. I just got done with some computer work. I read some of my book by Karen Slaughter. This is why we like. I didn't realize that this was a show on ABC. I actually don't like reading books that are shows or movies, and I will not watch the show because of the actor. So I guess it's okay. I know I'm not gonna watch it. Um, I have about probably like 30 more minutes before I leave. Marcy's out there putting stickers on the properties that were sold already. We still have a few left. It's been a slow day, but meh. Slow days means I get a lot done at open houses. So I am just hanging out here. Oh, I wanted to show you my shoes because the world needs to see them. Do you see these? Dee, dee, dee.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah.